Dear friends, if you are planning to build your home, how to plan from electrical side, you must survey the place where transformer is there near your location where you are going to build your home and energy meter. These both may be provided by State Electricity Board, and earthing. Why earthing is required? Earthing is a must to ensure safety to human life as well as to protect your electrical appliances. So why should one earth? Let us take an example where an electrical appliance in your home develops a fault, say your washing machine. The current would travel down the earthing path. Without the earthing connection done, the outer metal body of the washing machine would become live. And by just touching the machine, one could get an electrical shock. These you will see generally in one room to install. A ceiling fan, tube light, bulb, table fan, geyser or any appliance. How to connect these all through switches? Let's understand. First we will connect a breaker. Now after breaker's connection, we are connecting our appliances with neutral. Now after neutral's connection with appliances, we are connecting earthing connection, which is very important. Now after earthing connection with appliances, we are connecting switches with phase. Now after phase connection with switches, we are connecting phase fan regulator and 3-pin socket. Now switchboard is ready to connect further. We are connecting appliances with its respective switch. All appliances are connected now. So you have seen and understand that how the wiring is done in the houses. Safety should be taken care of while wiring, such as wires, switches, tapes are of good quality, safety shoes and necessary gloves should be worn while wiring. If you have any question, please write in the comment, we will answer your questions. Please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Good luck and thank you.